When the hell did we get all these nuts? So hot. Oh wait, why am I closing my door? Hell no. Hold up. Y'all know I gotta look good, gotta look fresh. Alright. Oh fuck, I gotta turn on my car before I freaking start. I ain't trying to be dying. I ain't trying to be no crispy. I do need a tan though, but you guys like how I open my glasses? My sunglasses? I'll take all this shit out. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Are you serious? Now we good. I feel like I'm always wearing white. I feel like every single time I always wear white. But it's different. Last one was a long sleeve. This is a short sleeve. So you guys can't say, didn't you wear this shit yesterday? No, bitch. I got a different shirt. It's the other one was more like a crew shirt, crew neck. I don't know how you call those shits. But this one is oh, hold on. Bust it open. Bust it open. Do it, do it, do it. Don't change. But yeah, just waiting. Oh wow, you're gonna turn all this time, but yeah, what the fuck was I talking about? Oh yeah, white shirt. I was always wear white, but I don't know. Yesterday it was the long sleeve, this is the short sleeve, so you guys already know that I'm wearing different shirts every single day. Why the hell would I wear the same shirt? Even though you guys ever heard of a washer and a dryer? Yeah. When you clean your shit, you can wear it again and again. Unless you don't clean your shit, then that's just fucking disgusting. But yeah. Time to go to school. Escuela. You're walking. I don't know if you saw her, but she was walking. In this fucking heat, hell no. I'm glad I have a car. Or else you're gonna be looking like fucking people walking. Well, I don't know a reference for that.
20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. Mike!
Nah, I'm just kidding though.
So unlike everybody else alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck them, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, toxic, picking it up. Let's go. Anyway, he never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even his starstruck. Humble through opportunities, given despite the fact that many misjudge because he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help. True friends, one question. Which way you and I was walking? Now I run a game, got the whole world talking. King Kunta, everybody wanna cut the legs off him. Kunta, black man taking no losses. Which way you and I was walking? Now I run a game, got the whole world.
I call me Mr. Benjamin in the middle of a wild party. Skin was cinnamon, I pounded harder. I come the only girls that I thought of. All the light ones wasn't acting. We're gonna do it for the dark ones. It's important that
This made my day. Thank you.
Do they have names?
No, they're nameless.
No?
Yeah.
They don't have names?
Yeah,
Oh.
Joking around. Is this a golden retriever?
No, this is a Cocker Spaniel mix and a purebred or something like that.
Wow.
Hi, baby.
You boy or girl?
They're both girls.
Oh, they're both girls?
Yeah.
What's her name? What's her name?
You're
That's
so
Nova.
sad.
Noah. And her?
That's Anastasia.
Anastasia?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a really nice name.
I'm so ready for class now.
Can we borrow them for like... No, alright, man. You have a good one.
You too.
No, you're not gonna be in vlog no more. I'm gonna cut you off. Why do I even hang out with you? I don't even want to be with you. No. Get away from me. I can't even see the screen, so.
Mr. I'm late too.
The mediator here, and that has become your.
I've been busy. I took 6 the first session off. So
You guys see that guy right there? You guys do?
¿Qué hora empieza?
This is in Spanish class.
Okay, sí, yo ya ahorita salí de clase. Are you going?
Someone got caught. Is that your car? No, I'm just kidding.
Oh no.
So damn hot. Oh, why am I not wearing my sunglasses? Dude, sometimes I just I don't know why I just be doing that shit sometimes. To be honest, they just took a car right now. They're just towing a car right now. It's crazy. Life sucks. I have to go. Never follow people, dude. Time. Bad bitches is the only thing that I like. Got no ties. I mean life. Cups with the ice and we do it every night. I ain't tripping twice. All I do is swipe. Sitting on my life. Following this loser, we're gonna go check out the homie Danny. The homie Danny, him and his dad opened up a new restaurant. We're about to check it out. But yeah, she got mad because I said I was gonna be at school 2:15. I didn't get there till like 2:30. Guys, I almost crashed. It's cool, nothing happened to me. See, I'm still here, able-bodied. Nothing happened. I just almost hit this car. Kind of feel fucked up though. Yeah, just chilling. Just saw the boy Danny. We're about to go right now to his place and shit. But man, never follow this girl. This girl, fuck that girl. She almost made me die. I almost died, guys.
So everyone should come and try.
Shout out to Danny V's new Mexican food. You guys should try it out. You guys are near Kendall. Y'all should check it out. Dope. Shout out to Danny. Y'all niggas gotta go. Everybody. Look at that. She's going. All y'all niggas gotta go. Everybody go. Rum liquid act. So I just got out of eating lunner. Insider. Yeah. I just ate at this one place called Danny V's. It's the homie Danny. Y'all niggas should go check it out. I already showed you guys how it looks, the picture and everything, well, the video. And God, this car drives so slow. Hurry up! So yeah, I just got out. You guys should go check it out. That's pretty nice how the homie made his own place with his dad. It's called Danny V's. It's a Mexican restaurant. Really good food, I'm not gonna lie, it was really good. I liked the place, the scenery was all nice, the colors, the scheme, everything. It is, you guys should check it out, that's really dope. Probably gonna be a new place to go eat and hang out, chill for a bit. It's really dope, really, really dope. Now comes the worst part, work. I have to go to work at 6. It's 5:10. Well, no, it's 5 actually. Gonna go home, get ready like in 10 minutes, and then just head out. Don't want to go to work. I don't want to go to work.
Lost up in the surface. Don't expecting of me, but under the pressure of walking in your shoes. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. And every second I waste is more than I can take. I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want to do is be more like me and be less like you.
Butthole.
You know, we could keep talking about this shit or whatever. Go back
Yeah, we
and forth, all
good.
that.
Look how beautiful.
Baby, for your